everybody. Today I'm going to show you a neat trick, and it's how to connect your Eco Popper to your Lowrance head units. It can be any size unit pretty much. The bigger the better, obviously, because it's fun to get out here and be able to see your video live on screen while you're fishing. You'll need a few things from Lowrance for now. There will be an update coming in October that you will need a little bit less wires and a little bit less stuff to go through to make it happen. But for now, what you need is a video adapter cable for the Lowrance. Basically, this plugs into your power line, this plugs into your head unit, and then this is a video line. The video line goes into this box. I've taped mine up because I use it. But basically, this box is just simply doing one thing. It's converting the HDMI, which is plugged in, to a lightning cable adapter for the iPhone. You can buy these just about anywhere, and all it is a lightning cable adapter, a power cord, and an HDMI cable. I've taped mine up just to make it catch on less stuff around the boat. But basically, you plug that into this box. This box is normally white, and all it really does is, this is the power supply unit to it, so I've got both of them paired up so that they can plug into the unit. And this is just a video line. I just tape all this stuff up to keep any excess moisture out. You never know if you get caught in the rain or anything like that, so it's probably a good idea that you do that. And then on the other end of it is just a basic video cable. Pretty soon you'll be able to get away from all this part of it and plug directly into your phone. Lowrance has promised me an update on that coming out shortly. So all you need to do is plug your video line into your Lowrance adapter cable. Go to your power supply that comes from the boat itself, plug the other end of that in to the head unit and latch it down. The other end of this will simply go into the back of your unit, and you tighten that down like that. And then you can power up your unit, and in the meantime we'll take the other end of this power supply. Let me get these wires out of the way. We'll plug the power in. I have a power adapter down here. You can use a cigarette lighter. I've put in the direct USB ones. And once again, I've hidden them down here underneath so that they'll be as protected as they can be from any moisture. So all you're left with exposed is going to be the lightning cable adapter. The lightning cable adapter, let me get this Lowrance functioning and up and running, will plug into the bottom of your cell phone. You will take your Eco Popper, which in this case we are going to use redhead. So we're going to take this red-headed Eco Popper. I'm going to drop it over the side of the boat to get it wet.
Activate it.
That activates it and turns it on. And you can confirm that by bringing it in, and you will see this orange light is on right here. And when that orange light goes green, the Wi-Fi signal will be up and running. All right, we got a green light. So you go back to your phone here, connect to the Eco Popper. Right there, you can click on it. Double click, open up your Eco Popper app, hit connect to your device. All right, now we got streaming video from the Eco Popper. There's Katie helping us do the filming. All right, and then after that, all you need to do is go to your Lowrance unit, hit pages, click on video. All right, now there's your heads up screen for the Eco Popper. As you can see, it's the same running screen to screen, kind of like Apple TV, but you can use it with any phone or any device. And then you rotate it, and there you go. All right, so we got everything on and powered up. You can look down here, and you'll see that we can now watch it on our unit. And it'll show whatever we're looking at, including, I'll just drop it in the water here to get you a little video footage of some vegetation down there. You know, so no matter what you're doing or what you're looking at, you'll be able to see it on your big screen while you're fishing, while you're checking stuff out. We got live video streaming across our Lowrance HDS 12 carbon unit, and you'll be able to fish it and stand up on the front deck and still have a good view of it and watch the fish come to you and see what's down there. I also like to use it when we're out pre-fishing for tournaments and stuff like that, so that as we go down the bank, if we get a strike, we'll cast it back out there, take a look at what vegetation might be in there, and try to see maybe rocks or trees or what might be just below the surface that helped us get that bite, so we can go down the lake and duplicate the pattern. Okay, so what I did was I untaped everything so you could get a look at the components a little bit better. What we're looking at here is the little mini HDMI adapter, and you see it's just an HDMI input on this side, and it comes out to a standard video right there until Lowrance gets it so that this can go directly in, or we can connect by Wi-Fi. They tell me something is coming in the fall. That's just the power cord in. Then that HDMI cord runs up here to this lightning cable adapter, which is great because you can use it at home too, or if you're out here and you have the kids with you and you want to just have any video playing. And basically what it'll do, if you can see it at least, it will mirror this screen that I have here on my phone up here onto the Lowrance unit, and that's all you need. Okay, I dipped it in, our light went red and turned green. There's Katie down there using it on the phone. But like I said, we can watch what she's even doing here. She's connecting to the Eco Popper. And then she's opening up the app, Eco Popper app. Connecting to it. There we go, stream and video footage.
All right.
Now she can rotate it to the side and it'll go nice and full screen for us.
Now you're hands-free.
Now we're hands-free with the Eco Popper, and you can see it from the front of the boat.
All right, here's some video footage shown on our Lowrance HDS 12 unit of Dean fishing the Eco Popper using the mothership method, trolling a 1.5 crankbait behind the Eco Popper, and you see we have real-time video footage of this bass coming up, striking the lure, getting hooked, and I have the Eco Popper to record real-time video footage of the fight all the way back to the boat. It's amazing. So neat what technology can do. You can fish the Eco Popper by itself with its own hooks as a topwater bait, or if they're not hitting topwater, simply troll with a bait behind the Eco Popper. Today we used this 1.5 crankbait. Dean caught this bass. You see the footage the whole time, the bass getting all the way to the boat. How cool is that? Really got to try the Eco Popper topwater. Go to EcoNet, look it up, get you one, hook it up to your Lowrance Graph HDS Gen 12 in this case, so we have a nice big screen to view it on.
Bring your kids, let them watch. Bring your kids with them. They can sit right here and watch just like they're watching on TV or a tablet. You can actually connect it to your iPad if you would like it better that way. Whatever you want to connect it to, you can watch that video live on screen. Makes a whole new experience for the children out there for sure. And some awesome footage for us. You know, if you're standing up on the front of the boat, it helps. You don't have to quite look down at the video. You can just cast this little sucker out there, leave your phone sitting there, and watch your video footage live on your screen. Up to 16, 18 inches electronics are coming out with nowadays, so why not take advantage of the technology and make fishing more fun and a little bit better tool so you can catch more fish. Eco Popper.